Alright, y'all, we back. We got our oil filter on. C11665 for the Chryslers. Alright, y'all, so we left our old one up. God, dog. Alright, y'all, hold on 1 second. Alright, y'all, we back. Just make sure y'all put your oil filter all the way in. That way you can attach to this part up here. This part right here. Put this back on. Make sure it's lined up even. Wait a minute, I just had it. We get a torque on the y'all, but right now we just gonna run it all the way back down like this. See, like that? See that? We won't put no more than that on there. Alright, y'all, so we finna go back underneath and tidy our screw back up. Drain screw magnet didn't have no bend on it, so it's okay.